Hello everyone and welcome to Southern Maryland. There on the horizon, you are looking at Chalk Point Generating Station, the leading polluter in Prince George's County, Maryland, according to scorecard.com, fueled by coal and oil and natural gas. This is our lovely home, which we purchased back in July of 2017, and for which we have intended for many, many years to equip with solar and Tesla's Powerwall. Now, the whole solar process was a little bit of a mystery to us, so we thought we would take time to record and review with you each step of the process, and that way we can answer some of your questions. So the first step is to go online and ask for someone to meet with you and give you a quote based off of your current electricity needs. So in this case, I'm looking at doing a referral. Now, the advantages to doing the referral for your solar are that you and the person who referred you get a 5-year extended warranty. You can use this link to benefit you and me. You can copy it now or it'll be in the show notes. And then moments later, you'll receive an email scheduling a time with an energy advisor. It just so happens that this energy advisor was not able to come out to our home and we were scheduled with someone else, but that's our original email. So your energy advisor will sit with you and try to figure out what your priority is behind getting solar, whether that be the investment of solar, whether that be environmental reasons, whether that be just the cost-saving method of having solar. But they'll base their proposal off of your preferences. So as an example, initially we were quoted about 50% energy output. We are very interested in self-sustaining here at our home, hence our interest in the what's quoted there as 95% output. We truly believe that we'll be able to hit 100%. Now, the next important thing is obviously going to be the payment for the solar. Solar does not come free. However, it does come rather cheaply. Now, you'll see at the top there that it says $48,672 is the total loan amount. There are, however, several benefits that you can get from federal and state. Here in the state of Maryland, we get some benefits. And so you'll see that the payments change as soon as I mark those further down on the page as a part of my payment method. While the advisor is with you, you will sign the proposal summary, assuming you agree, and then they will perform a credit check on site. Then your information will be sent over to Mosaic, who will approve your loan. So the next person that you'll meet in the process is a site surveyor. He'll come to your house to ensure that the amount of space that is on your roof will be able to fit the number of panels that the home energy advisor has offered to you. And he will also measure out the angle of your roof to ensure that you're receiving the estimated amount of energy from the sun. Now, in addition, if you have selected to receive Powerwall, he will look for a space either inside of your home or outside of the home to mount the Powerwalls. In our case, we are mounting both of our Powerwalls outside. Approximately 1 week later, we were sent the design, which you can see the solar panel is represented there by the rectangles. And then you see along the left-hand side of the house are inverter and other installations, which I'll show you later in the video. After you sign off on this step, really all the action is over on your end. So you are simply waiting for the energy company to approve the design and to set out a date when you can get started with the construction. Our energy company decided to change their address in the middle of the process, causing us a delay of about 2 weeks. Another disappointment is that our Powerwall, which was initially going to be delivered along with our solar, was delayed until after summer. I hope you enjoy your Model 3s, people. Now, for a moment, let me go ahead and assume that you don't know what Powerwall is. And it kind of starts with an explanation of what solar does for you. So solar collects energy from the sun and immediately forms it into power that your house can use. So your lights switch on, your refrigerator continues to run, etc. Now, once all of your house's energy needs are filled and being sustained, your Powerwall is a battery pack that will begin to be charged by the excess energy. Now, once that battery is entirely charged, then all the excess energy begins being sold back to the grid. And so at this point, your energy company is actually paying you for providing power to its other customers. And so now you get to enjoy the additional advantages of having a Powerwall in your home. So first there you'll see that your home is now self-powered, right, through your solar. And even when the sun sets, the battery pack begins to power your home before pulling any energy from the grid. So your lights can stay on in the evening, even though the sun is not out, and that is all through solar power that's collected throughout the day. If the electricity goes out in your neighborhood, your backup power through your battery pack will begin to charge the home. Now, it does depend on how many battery packs you have installed. In our case, we're having two. Having one will be able to run your basics like lights, be able to run your refrigerator, be able to charge your phone. Having two battery packs will allow you to run your HVAC system as well, which we were interested in doing. So in the case of a hurricane, a snowstorm that knocks out power in the neighborhood, you can still be sitting nice and toasty warm, taking showers, etc. And so with that information presented to you, I now present our solar installation. So you will see some 48 solar panels now connected to our roof system there. And so I'll be quiet for a moment and allow you to see for yourself. So there are three other elements that you'll notice as a part of your installation. They're not as glorious as the shiny new roof is. However, you will notice outside that you have new inverter boxes. They will be close to your meter. We preferred ours being there along the right-hand side of our house. You'll also notice in our dark, scary basement that there's a new installation directly next to our breaker box. And then last but not least, you'll see a new piece of equipment that will connect into your wireless router. No worries, the team who did our installation also helped us out with this piece as well. So this little box will sit on a shelf and that'll give you access from anywhere to see how your home is producing. I almost forgot to mention that we received this quick start guide, which is still dated with its SolarCity branding. So now that you are up to date with our journey with Tesla Energy, I leave you with this beautiful shot of our solar panels frosted over in this cool spring morning. So I hope taking the time to explain our process with Tesla Energy has answered a lot of your questions. If you're interested in getting started on your own journey with Tesla Energy, you can use our referral link. I know that my family will appreciate it. And we will get back to you as soon as we have our switch on date from the power company. And then of course we'll be excited to show off our power wall as soon as that gets delivered. Alrighty folks, all that there's left to say is thank you. And we look forward to speaking with you next time.